This short video will show you exactly how to create UTM tracking links so your Google Analytics know exactly where the traffic is coming from. The easiest way is to head over to trackaffiliatelinks.com. This allows you to build your own custom UTM link. So for this example, we're using this page. We're going to copy the URL, head back over to UTM Link Builder, and here we're going to paste in the URL. And this is the URL that we can use in our social media content, email marketing, or paid ads. Here we can name our campaign source. We can name it to email. Campaign medium, we can call it paid ads. Campaign name. For the campaign term, we can just leave that for blank for now. Campaign content. And now if you look on the bottom, here is our generated UTM link. We can simply copy this and then paste it in wherever it belongs. Now, this is the easiest way to create custom UTM links using this tool, and this also works with link shortener with a custom domain, so you can cloak your affiliate links and also add UTM parameters behind it. So if you want to check this out, I have left a link in the description. Be sure to check it out.